What's going on, guys? So I'm coming to you midday. I started using these two indicators, and like always, I am transparent with what I use. People constantly ask me what I use. So, yeah, I mean, this is two indicators I was playing around with. One is zero lag MACD, and this is the bottom one is uh, WADA. It's this one by Lazy Bear. I've used some of his scripts before. Pretty good stuff. Um, yeah, I mean, basically, I was just using it to get in trades and kind of stay in trades and ride uh, the momentum up. And I typically look at the 5 minute chart here. I took a trade today that um, that bounced right off of right here, this pivot point. It was off of VWAP right here. And normally I would have just, say I got in like I got in really, really good. I probably got in like 175. I normally would take like, 10 points and be out. Um, but I was actually looking at this on the one at the time, which I'm playing around with the script on both actually. And the one at the time, see, it shows that it's green. So green was, it's obviously starting to trend up. And then, yeah, so when I got in super low, I was like, you know what? The red line, which is the one you want to follow on this script, I believe is, so once that really broke above the others, I stayed in this trade. I mean, I stayed in this trade until right around here with the purple circle. Um, Also, it was coming up to 18,200, but I got like double the amount of profit that I would have got off this, all because I stayed in using this indicator. I'm toying with the idea of the one or the five. The five is obviously on the a longer term play. I'm just looking like here's where it lines up for the green. This is where it lined up for the red. For a sell. I don't really know what I'm going to use it as. It's pretty decent. Obviously, it works. It's based on momentum. Um, so that's with this. I'm testing it, like I said, between the one and the five. And then down here is the same thing. It kind of lags this because this kind of gave me a buy signal before the green. Um, but yeah, I mean, basically these bars, I believe, move up with movement. Um, I want to say this lags. This bottom one, when it turns red, is obviously not good. But I was using it on the one earlier, and it works. It's almost like a confirmation of the above of this, because like this turned green right here, and then the next bar, this turned green, and then you basically, I would have stayed in um, until either we close this red below or this turns red. So I would still be in this, but I'm making the video for you guys because I was kind of excited about it. I've traded a couple times today. Also kept me out of doing some stupid stuff. I kind of thought this would break out and test this pivot point, but once this turned purple and showed negative, and I saw this red bar, I did not play this, even though we came up a little bit. This never turned green. It was still like a sell side. So I just kind of you know I just kind of didn't play the breakout, and it saved me from some bad trades. So it's not only helping me stay in trades longer, it's kind of helping me to stay out of bad scalps. So I've did that, just a couple times. But yeah, it's definitely helped today, just looking at things a little bit different. Not looking to play bounces until this turns green. Like, right here you could have easily been faked out. Um, but I was not even looking for anything until this turns green, and then obviously you want to see this bottom one turn green soon after. Otherwise, it's you know not really a confirm. But I took a scalp at the 200 anyways. It doesn't even matter what this says. And like I said, I'm still gonna play the pivot points and the orb bottom and top, no matter what those say, because that's my style of trading. This is just kind of secondary for me to look at. I just wanted to share it with you guys. And I'm going to continue playing with it. I'm looking for other scripts as well within TradingView to play with and add on. Like you guys watching this YouTube video, I watch other people's videos. I'm always looking for something because if it works for somebody, it might work for me, it might not. What I'm telling you might work for you, or what works for me might not work for you, because there's like a million ways to trade. I'm just kind of giving you my thoughts, my ideas, and I'm constantly learning from other people also. Until you have the best, like I feel like I have a really good system, but I still look to see what other cool indicators and things other people are looking at. It can only help. So shout out to everybody else on YouTube helping each other out. But here it is. You got these two. If you want to use it, use it. They're both free. I don't pay for anything on here, so you can add them to your chart and tell me what you like.